Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 9th, 2021, almost weekend. So let's do the tectonic. The fourth puzzle is a tectonic with 4 stars. And this will be number 2610. And is this really a 4 stars? Because a 4 star Sudoku or a tectonic, I need 30 minutes or more. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. I've already counted. So it could be a 4 stars. 10, 9 or 11 could be a 4 stars. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here single box. There also a single box. Single boxes are always a 1. All right. Then dual boxes. Do we see here dual box? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but we see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Do we have more dual boxes? No. I see here a triple box. Triple box contains the 1, 2 and the 3. We see here 3, so those 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The other 2 boxes are left for the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Do we have more triple boxes? Here also a triple box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then quadra box. I see here a quadra box. And remember, the quadra box, if you see a quadra box in an L shape, yes, with 4 boxes, then this box, yeah, this box is always the 5. Alright. The L shape. Okay. Then the following, here we have also a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or constructions or figures. For example, here the T shape. And remember the T shape. If we have a T shape or T construction or T figure, this box is always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So this should be a 1, 1, 2. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 1, 2. But I see here 1. So this box cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box should be a 1. Alright. Do we have more T shapes? No, no T shapes. I see here the L shape. The L shape mirrored, because the L should be that way. You can rotate the figure or mirrored, but it's the same figure or shape. Well, remember, this box has the same number as that box, so it should be a 2. Yes, it should be a 2. So this box, same number as that box. Then do we have more L shapes? No. How about these kind of shapes? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box, and this box, this figure is upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. So this box should be a 3. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then this kind of shapes. Oh, here we have another one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? No. These kind of shapes. Okay. Oh, it's too long. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here again. So this box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 4. Okay. This kind of shape. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this should be a 1. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here we have a same figure or shape but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. It's connected, and this box is connected with that box. Okay. Alright. Do we have all the figures? Yeah. So we can start filling the numbers. We have a 4 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes in this quadrat box, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, but also this box cannot be a 4. I have a double 4 here. I need, if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, that box cannot be a 4, so 2 boxes left. Oh no, I see here another 4, so no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright, then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. And let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then I think this box should be a 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. The 4 is in the same area. So this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Quadrat box contains the 1, 2, 3, and the 4. We have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3 in this triple box. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes, oh wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then those 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 3, but also that box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left. 1, 3, 4. The 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Then. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 because it is the same area, cannot be a 4, so this should be a 5. Okay. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there, otherwise this box is connected with that box, so this box should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here. So this is not the solution, the 4 here. The 4 should be there. Alright, 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. If I place a 1 here, then this box should be also a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. It's connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box, 1 box left in this area for the number 1. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Okay. That means that this box cannot be a 5, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, so 1 digit left should be a 1. Okay. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Five. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And this box is also connected with this box. So this should be also a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes. This box cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this W shape for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this puzzle, the 2 and the 5 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Tectonic. Is this really a 4 stars? No. I think whether a 1 star or 2 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. But I like this Tectonic. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Bye bye for now.